In this video, we're going to do a quick audit of our gradebook to ensure that our posted grades in the posted section have matching or rounding values in both the percent and the grade column. The reason that we want to do this is that the grade value is what shows up on the student's report card, but the percent value is the value that's actually used in the student's overall grade calculation at the end of a course. So it's important that these match up. So what I'm going to do in this video is go back to my first 9 weeks and just make sure that I haven't missed something. So to switch between a grading term in your gradebook, you're going to come up to the term section and use the drop down to switch to your previous grading term. So you'll notice that the grade value defaults to rounding to the nearest whole number for the value that's in the percent column. So it's important to note that these values are not going to match exactly, and that's okay. Instead, what I'm looking for is just to make sure that I haven't done a manual override in the grade column and the percent doesn't line up with that. So that's what I'm coming through and I'm looking for here. So here's an example where I have a student where I manually overrode their grade column to a 50, but their percent column is still their original grade. Now, if this is an open grading term, you can go in and change that value and save, but because this is a closed grading term, and for you guys, this would be grayed out, I'm going to need to follow whatever process my data manager or my administration has for requesting a grade change to make sure that that's accurate. And I also see down here, I did bump the student's grade, but I didn't update their percent value. So for this, I'm going to need to submit a grade change for both of these students.